Little walk around. Dave over at Automotive Custom LLC hooked me up. We're going to work on the tail lights next. Wheel lights. Things are sick. Love it. So this is just what it looks like with just the halos on a white light. That can be used for driving lights, daylight drivers. Bright as fuck. So it looks pretty sick. And these are like lights like this are literally almost how much light I felt like I had before putting in the projectors. It's hard to capture it on video, but the fucking rings on them are sick. So here's like one of the favorite parts I like. Check this out. Turn signals in the halos. Oh, what are those? The fucking wheel lights, they flash. That is badass. For those Y32 guys, Dave makes a hyper flash relay that is a variable input, so you can choose how fast you want the flashers to flash. Direct plug and play. Pull out the old flashing unit and plug this one in, dial it into whatever speed you like. Alright? Ain't no way somebody can't say they don't see me turning now. So here's one of the patterns. Things fully customizable, choose colors. You can take a picture of something and it will make it be that color. So it's pretty neat. You can change the pattern, strobe it, fade it, solid. But I think this is pretty badass. We got the headlights set up on their own controllers, so that way, instead of flashing in unison, it kind of does like a little winky winky at you. Cause it's like, hey girl, you know what's up. Check me out. So now this is what they look like with all the driving lights on. So I used to only have 2 lights before, the outer ones. Now all 4 work as drivers. Lights up everything nice. Beams are a good height. Everything looks pretty sick. And there's the high beams, low beams, high beams. Crazy bright. And so here is my final video. Dave also hooked me up with some nice LEDs in the doors. Shit lights up like crazy. This car is pretty neat that when they made the doors, all the light switches work off independently. So only one light opens up, not the whole car. Open up the back, just that rear light comes on, whichever one you're opening. So you Y32 guys, Dave's supposed to be making me a package that we can sell, and you can replace out all of your lights. Switch them over to LEDs.